No matter how many locations or service providers you have, ServiceChannel puts your work orders on autopilot so you can stop chasing emergencies and focus more on your strategic priorities. Whenever your locations need help, they can just use ServiceChannel, like when the air conditioning isn't working on the hottest day of the year. To quickly request service, your staff can easily create work orders in an app or on the web. Or they can simply scan the QR code on the asset tag so your provider knows exactly what equipment needs repair, and they can bring the right parts the first time. You can even call us for help. We answer 24/7. With guided troubleshooting instructions, you can avoid sending a provider unless they're actually needed. Whether you're using in-house technicians or external vendors, your work orders are automatically assigned the correct priority and dispatched to the top-ranked provider for that trade and location, so you don't have to touch them. From your location staff and facilities manager to the technician and service provider office, ServiceChannel keeps everyone in the loop every step of the way. You can see when the provider accepts the work order and when they'll arrive on site, so everything stays on schedule. After arriving, the technician checks in to start tracking labor time, and your location staff gets a heads-up notification. To keep your costs under control, providers cannot invoice you for more than your not-to-exceed price limit unless you have approved a proposal first. After finishing their work, technicians can attach photos and videos along with their notes and record the resolution and root cause codes for future reference. You can require a signature from the location manager to ensure completion, and then the technician can check out to stop the timer. Next, the provider submits the invoice in ServiceChannel. Before you approve an invoice, you can see that it was validated for accurate labor time and rates, so you know you aren't overpaying. Your approved invoices can sync into your accounts payable system for processing, while you and providers can track the payment status right in ServiceChannel. And at the end of the day, all your data is captured in ServiceChannel Analytics, so you can monitor performance and continually raise the bar. With all this automation, your team can get work done faster than ever before. But if you still need more help, our managed services team can do the hard work for you. To learn more about all the ways we can help, request a custom demo at servicechannel.com.